Tammy Mitchell-Hines has an easy do-it-yourself lighting project in this week's edition of Tammy's Tips.
Our house is about 15 years old, and a lot has changed with style and technology since it was built, lighting being one of those things. We have recessed lights in several of our rooms. I don't know about at your house, but it's such a pain to change out the bulbs, and not to mention how the circles around the light fixture have yellowed against the white ceiling. So instead of changing just the light each year, now you can replace the entire thing with an LED light kit. It's so easy, even I can do it. So I've already turned off the power and removed the light bulb. The next thing you're going to do is just pull this down. There are clips that you pull down, and there's one more set of clips here. There are two pieces, and all you do is click them together. So this is threaded just like a light bulb, and all you do is screw it in. So you just pinch these together and then put them up inside the clips and push it all the way up. And it's just that easy. And that's today's tip. You can reach me anytime at calltammy.com.